Welcome to the St. Louis County Transit. We're going to talk about history. And the history began in 1990s, 1990, 1991. St. Louis County Transit born. Launched in the 91 between 91 and 94 with old buses from the 90s. The fare $2 before, so in the past they got a really bad ridership in the 90s. The old buses, they only serve 3 routes. 1, 2, 3. One in US 1 from the mall to Fort Pierce. In the late 90s and 2000, FDOT postponed the mall transit system. Until 2002, the bus expands south to the mall. Now Treasure Code connected in 2002. They have 4 routes then. You got an old bus now. You got an pretty old, crappy buses. Not until a major change until 2011, 2009. They thought about the bus station, the bus terminal. It's the bus facility, a transit system, and Avenue D, Neo US 1. In 2010, 11, and 12. It's the change. They got a big change on the system. In 2012, we got new buses by Gary. We got Wolf 429, 1 door. This is a current one right there. 2012, yeah, 2012. This is a 2012 bus. 12 buses. 12 for trolleys on 4, and other one is 10 more. So 10 more. They got 12 buses total. 12-1, 12-2 is the trolley. 12-3 and 12-12 is the original. A brand new bus from Route 5 to 6 is born in October 2012. In 2013, Point St. Lucie opened a brand new transfer facility, a new transit center near City Hall, and Elso Boulevard and Point St. Lucie Boulevard. In 2014, Treasure Code Connection bought 2 ENC bus, 1401, 1402. 1402 on deal and service. 1401 is retired pretty early due to failure. In October 2015, a brand new Route 7 is born. From Fort Pierce to Vero Beach, Indian River County, on IG Center. In IG Center, you have to wait 30 minutes for all 3 other buses come. In 2016-17, the ridership is now trend. Increasing ridership doubled by poor people with abundant poor property. They can't afford to drive. So the bus is $2 until a funding begin for this current bus right there on the screen right there. That's right. This is Gary 40-foot bus in 2018-19. That's 30. The maximum seating 38 people maximum on the bus. One of the busiest routes. Number 1 now become the busiest route ever seen in ever history. Now the ridership increased to 30 minutes for a year. That's it. Unfortunately, I don't wait when they had a 1 hour. They don't have 1 hour from 20-foot whack buses. They got shorted on the they got shorted on the drivers because of COVID-19. Before COVID-19, however, they got a new Route 8 from Point St. Lucie to Fort Pierce in 35 minutes. 35 minutes to 45 minutes at every hour, so it's the top of the hour. They had a whack of buses, but they had pretty poor buses. They're pretty bad. 2013 also had the paratransit. It pretty had 19 passengers. It ain't good. It's not enough paratransit buses. That bus is going to retire in 2025 anyways. It will replace a smaller version of 29-foot bus. I think even smaller than. And he's gonna get smaller bus, I say, small one. In 2020 as well, the new 8 buses routes in 2020. But fare free forever after COVID-19. Now they're gonna keep the fare free for airport permanently. For one more time, no matter what, the ridership will be triple anyways. 21, 22, a fare, it reduced the ridership decreasing due to COVID-19 restriction. MASH, social distancing, more. On March 2022, Aero Regional Transit launched. Aero Transit Code connected it retire after 20 years. Aero Regional Transit is green. Alright, green. So we got green brick. Added to this, the new the government it bought the 3 buses by ENC in 2022. 2201, 2202, 2202, and 2203. Maximum is 29 seats. It's pretty not much. It's not. I think kind of okay, but it's certain. It improvement. It improvement for the ridership a little bit. So far we have 1212 retire and 12012. No, 1202 is retire next in year later. So 3 buses if retire, 1401 retire in 2022. 1402 still remain in service. It's going to be retired this year or next year. In 2023, I've been a lot of all the buses in a lot of times. About 100, more than 100 times. There's no mass mandate, but the ridership in fact back to 100% full. And next year, in 2024, Aero Regional Transit bar 2 35-foot galley. And for now, I think this year they're going to get more buses, or they get next year. I think they got the bottom a diesel one. The maximum is 30 passengers. It's Midnight Blue and Black Sea by the company. Also, in the update, new buses got a Q strength. It's a brand new. It got improved. It got a new update and a new bus system. It's for wheelchair disabled and for wheelchair only. It's only got this. Why the way it's improved the wheelchair policy. It's clean. It's brand new and that they're not having mouse no more. The ridership is higher than what one. $2025 in the future, they think about adding 30-minute service on 1, 2, 3, and they do need to buy more buses. In 2025 also, a massive entertainment center is going to be open. 150,000 square feet, and you need my reason why I need a 40-foot bus more passenger at XD40 by New Flyer. The only good thing, if update 2020 update is now you can go to Tradition, a brand new city from the bus 5. Well, 5 take you to Tradition in 30 minutes. It's a 30-minute trip. And also a new bus terminal into it regional terminal to open in Point St. Lucie, not too far away from days and buses to open on June 2024. While fine, it also impossible to go days and buses. It's really disappointing. They got to stop they got to walk all the way to the stoplight. This is not good. Also, Aero Regional Transit need to improve. It's so bad, and the service bad. They gotta whack the buses available here on this route. There's no buses in the county. But every hour, all the time, because I'm doing a whack of service. I hate the pouring. It's so low. You got a dash shortage issue in the at the pandemic. It's pretty bad. Dash shortage is the issue. We need more bus driver in St. Lucie County. Try and hire more bus drivers. We need to get the fourth bus driver back before we get more buses. It costs a government a lot of money. It's millions of dollars for the new services and more. The ridership in one is 350,000, almost 400,000 in 2023. I don't know, 22, 23, maybe 400,000. We're close. It's on Route 1, one of the busiest bus routes in the county, in the Treasure Metro. It's way behind Route 2 in Indian River County Transit had almost 200,000. So the ridership is increasing, jumped higher enough. So we only get one bus on Indian River County, and only one bus in some routes. 5, 4, 3, and 2, 7. There are 5 routes and one bus on this route. It's not a problem. So the ridership is high. The service is still bad, but the busiest route is going to success. This means the bus service is still fixing the problem. Still restoring from a COVID-19 pandemic was the worst decades. So I hope the service go back to normal by 2025 next year, because soon we're gonna get more buses, and then we're gonna be increased riderships. Will be double by 2030. So the highest number will be hit for 500,000 by 2030, and the downtown Point C will be ready by then. Then we're about to get XD 40 buses from New Fighter and the count in the same Point C with 0. We're gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you see you later.